Hi guys, welcome to the new episode of Cocktails with Pen Twister. So in today's episode, we are gonna showcase some special cocktails, the Valentine cocktails for your him or her. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss any of our cocktail videos because we are gonna give you yummy recipes every week. So let's get started with today's cocktail, and we are gonna start with her because Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to take a fresh glass. Since it's Valentine's Day, strawberry is going to be the star of both our drinks. And for our first drink, we're going to take a strawberry, roughly slice it, chop it and put it in a glass for muddling, to extract all that yummy juices and color out of that strawberry. Once we've done that, we'll take fresh mint leaves, mash it and then rub it in our glass and simply throw it in the glass. Let's start with muddling. How gorgeous does it look? The flavors that it's gonna give will be simply amazing. Now we're gonna add some fresh ice cubes. Now it's time to add some gin. So we'll take a good 45 to 50 ml of gin and pour it into a glass. Here we go. Once we've added the gin, we'll add some cranberry juice to give it extra Valentine flavor, some fruity notes and for that great color. And we'll also add some pink tonic because hello, it's Valentine's Day. So for all that pink notes and lovely flavor. And now we'll take a fresh strawberry, slice it into half, slit it and put it into our glass for garnish. Oh my goodness, how lovely does this drink look? Well guys, our drink for her is now ready, and doesn't it look beautiful? I'm already tempted to have this drink. But we have to wait for our him also to be prepared so that our him and her can have it together. So let's keep this glass aside for time being and start with our cocktail for him. Alright guys, so we are gonna keep this glass aside for a while and take our cocktail shaker, where the first step will be we are gonna add loads and loads of ice to it. Once we've added good amount of ice, we are going to take a Bacardi Lemon for his drink. Let's say approximately 45 to 50 ml of that Bacardi Lemon. And then we are going to add good amount of lemonade to it. A little bit of cranberry juice because we need that Valentine color. So once we've added all our juices, we're going to take a lemon, slice it and simply throw it in our cocktail shaker. Also take some mint leaves because mint is great for all that flavor. Smash it, rub it and just put it in the cocktail shaker with those lemon slices. And now let's shake this cocktail, baby. Alright, let's take a fresh glass. Take a strawberry, slice it and put it in the glass. So this is our final drink, guys. And again, take some mint leaves, you know the drill, smash it, rub it over the rim and throw it in the glass. Add some fresh ice to the glass. Now it's time to pour that lovely drink. So let's see how it looks. It's not as pink as our hers drink because it's a his drink, but again, it will go lovely with our hers drink. And here, our drink is ready. And now it's time to put our his and her together, and yeah, our drinks are ready, guys. Alright guys, so our Valentine's special cocktail, the Lovebirds, is now ready to serve, and like how beautiful does it look? The whole mix of gin and Bacardi, I think it's amazing. So yeah, like, comment, share it with your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, and tell us in the comment section how did you like our drink. And don't forget to subscribe us. Bye, and wishing you again a very, very happy Valentine's Day.